I am Zuimdie Guerra. I work for the Environmental Protection Agency, but I was taking here a course for the PIN program, doctoral degree in manufacturing.
My name is Arlene Smithson. I did the program in manufacturing, the doctoral degree, and I also right now work at the Environmental Protection Agency in Ann Arbor.
We are obviously sisters, so the way it started is that my sister went to the program first, and she told me that the program was a very good program, so I came later. I just finished my degree this year in May, so I am pretty happy about that. My sister finished 5 years before me, so she recommended the program, and that's how I came.
For me, the highlight of my program was that before me, none of the other female engineers or other female students that had gone through the program had graduated. I was the first female engineer that went through the PIN program, and that not too shortly afterwards there were other women that went through the program, and that includes my sister too.
Yeah, I like when they actually tell you that congratulations, Dr. Guerra. It's very nice when you actually finish your dissertation and you defend your dissertation and they are recognizing you as a doctor too.
All the knowledge that we get from these different disciplines really come out to be beneficial in our work. For example, I work with hydraulic hybrid technology for the Environmental Protection Agency. With the economy as it is, anything that we are working with, we are actually not just given to the proof of concept kind of a stage development. We are also going to the pre-production kind of stage development. So at this point, having the manufacturing degree, knowing how things get built, trying to incorporate that in the design of parts, so when the different United States industries take the concept to better fuel economy and lower emissions, they are also in the ballpark of how to produce it, and they don't have as much cost to actually come to fruition in the industry.
Yeah, I also like that the thesis that I work on, it was very much related to the environment. My thesis is the pyrolysis of coal, and basically what we are trying to do is heat up the coal to gasify the hydrogen that is in the coal, and then use the residue, which is coke, and produce other materials with it. It's changing a lot. You have to be more proactive. You have to be more knowledgeable, because the really easy manufacturing is going elsewhere. The hard manufacturing is the only one that is going to stay here. So you have to be very knowledgeable on what is going on. You have to be very knowledgeable in what the future disciplines that will require you, like just-in-time, like Six Sigma, all those things that are a step ahead of the usual manufacturing, that are going to be more efficient.
I actually right now am working, as I said, for the Environmental Protection Agency in the Advanced Technology Division. I work with hydraulic hybrids. This is a technology that instead of using battery packs for your secondary storage of energy, you are using hydraulic accumulators. And then for your second propulsion system, instead of using electric motors like in electric hybrids, which is something that most people are familiar with, you use hydraulic pump motors. This is technology that is actually very feasible and is off-the-shelf technology. So in our office, we are trying to work with integrating all these systems to actually get the highest efficiency, highest fuel economy, lower the pollutants that you are getting through combustion engines. And that kind of experience is very fulfilling to me. And I'm also helping a lot with getting sure that all those pump motors that we have under development, that we actually make sure that we build and we test are actually going into vehicles and we test them. So it's very rewarding to see manufacturing companies from the US getting interested in these technologies and trying to put them into their future production plans.
Yeah, I work in the Environmental Protection Agency, but the area I work is the regulation of diesel vehicles. I work in the area of regulations, and basically we do a lot of work in terms of testing what we are trying to get the companies to put in the new vehicles. So I work on trying to test emissions, trying to test new technologies, and also I work in writing the regulations.
And also the impact that those technologies
will have in the economy, because you have to, when you do a regulation, you have to make certain that this does not put a big burden economically into the companies.
With the economical situation as it is, the research doesn't stop on just giving it in paper. You actually have to build it up and actually tell the people
how to build it,
how to do it in a feasible way. So therefore, knowing that you have the knowledge to do research and then put it into manufacturing to get it to people is very important. So if people get the message across that just not stopping on your paper development or just your research, that you have to really go beyond that, that this is the program to do it, because nowadays you as a research person need to go beyond paper and pen and go into real materials, real manufacturing processes.
The real world,
and
that's
the real
what you want.